Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and for free turn a photo into Lego style. So let's go. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Go to this neural network, click on sign up to register using your email or Google account, or click login if you're already registered. A free account will be more than enough. Next, drag and drop or upload the photo you want to stylize in Lego style. Ideally, the photo should have minimal objects. A portrait works best. Then paste the command into this area. It's called a prompt. For your convenience, you can copy the text of the prompt from the description below this video. I've prepared it for you. Now just wait a little bit. While you're waiting, go ahead and give this video a like. And here's the awesome result we get. Super cool. You can download this photo. Look at this cute Lego style image. It's unique and completely your own creation. Sometimes the perfect result doesn't come out on the first try. If that's the case, just try generating it again. Awesome. If you follow my steps, you'll definitely get great results too. I'd really appreciate a like on this video and a subscription to my channel CyberGuideTV. Thanks in advance.